Hello, fellow green thumbs? Today, we're diving into the world of gardening with a special focus on growing peppers. You've probably heard that patience is a virtue when it comes to gardening, but what if I told you there are some simple and cost-effective tips that can help you accelerate your pepper plant's growth? Yes, you heard it right. So, let's get started. Firstly, sunlight is your pepper plant's best friend. Peppers thrive in warm and well-lit environments. So, make sure to place your pepper plant in a spot where it receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight every day. Next up, watering your pepper plant consistently is key. You want to keep the soil moist, but not waterlogged. Aim for about 1 to 2 inches of water per week. This will help the roots establish themselves and allow the plant to grow stronger. Lastly, composting with kitchen scraps can help boost your soil's nutrient content. A rich soil means a healthy pepper plant. Simply take those food scraps and add them directly to the soil around your pepper plant. It's a cheap and natural fertilizer that can make all the difference in helping your peppers grow faster. So remember, folks, sunlight, consistent watering, and composting with kitchen scraps, these are the secrets to growing peppers faster without spending a dime. Happy gardening, everyone!